Alright, it is Monday the 16th? Yeah, 16th of November. It's about 1 o'clock. We're headed hunting. Our off season's open. We've got, I can't say that. I've headed to a spot, there's a lot of bucks, but we just haven't been getting pictures of them. I don't know, they just kind of left, so I'm hoping we can see them. Got grunt call. We're gonna try to hunt. We're gonna get him. Alright, we made it up in the stand. It is currently 2 o'clock, so we've got a solid 3 hours, 15 minutes. So, we're good. We'll get loaded up and let the waiting begin. Alright, it is about 4:15, 4:20. No bugs yet. I've seen 7 doe, which is more than I've seen in a while. I could have shot one of them, and maybe I should have, but I'm holding out for that old big boy. I've still got about an hour, a little more than an hour left, so I keep hearing hogs, but they never come in. Those doe that came to the feeder are the first deer I've seen all year come to the feeder, so yeah, we're gonna sit it out for a little while. We're just gonna see if we can draw a buck in. he smelled me and took off, and I grunted at him, and he stopped, but he was in that thicket. And I couldn't do nothing. And there was such a glare on the sun, but he might come back out. It's too low. I hadn't seen anything else. So, but we've still got a few minutes left to daylight. I don't know. I saw a couple more deer. I think that's 10 doe and a buck, which is a lot of deer to see out here. But, yeah, pretty much all that's going on right now. Well, I hear the side by side, so I guess I better get down. We didn't get it done today. Hopefully I'll get one here in a few days. Alright, we're set up here in the OG stand. This is where all the deer get killed over on our lease. It's close to my house. I've bow hunted here a few times this year, seen some doe. I don't know if anything's moving or not. The bucks over here are weird. They just kind of roam. They're not real solid coming in any one spot. So, and there's so many of them. You're liable to see one you've never seen on camera before. So, yeah, it's a little after 3. Let me check and see what time it actually is. It's actually 3:30, so I've got an hour and 45 minutes-ish to hunt, so we'll see if we see anything. Alright, it's 4:15. I've seen 4 doe so far. No bucks. I don't know if I need to shoot a doe or not, honestly. It's still early in the season, and yeah. But I've got a feeling we're gonna see a buck. It might not be a good one, but we're gonna see one. Yeah, that's about where it's at right now. Alright, I just gotta cut in here and kind of explain what happened, because if you watch this without this, it would totally make no sense. So I was hunting, and I saw a doe coming through the thicket, running, so I got my gun ready, and I thought I got the camera ready. She shot across the lane, and I heard grunting behind her, and then I saw a big buck coming through the woods, and when he stepped out in the lane, I screamed at him, shot, and then the video picks up right there. Sorry I didn't get the shot on camera. I thought I did. I guess I didn't press record, but that's how it goes. This is one of my first self-filmed hunts ever, so that's pretty much it. I think we got him. I don't even know if I was filming. That was a good one. That's a good one, guys. Alright, we gonna sit tight. Just a second. We gonna see if we can see where we shot him. I'm not sure yet. Oh yeah, we smoked him. Yeah, he got good blood. Blood. There's a little bit of blood. There's some blood. We got him. Made a pretty good shot. Yes! First blood of the season. We got that big joker. Yep. Alright, that's gonna wind up this video. We got it. We got the good buck. Make some good jerky. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Sorry I hadn't been putting videos out very much. I've been trying to make videos and nothing's really been working, but I don't even know. I'm probably going to try to film some more hunts this season. I've been bow hunting a bunch, but never got anything, so yes. Again, thanks for watching.